So here is this vegetable called Turai. So it's fresh from the garden. We have to just peel off the skin, cut into small pieces, and then we are ready to start the recipe. So let's add around a tablespoon of desi ghee. You can add oil, it's your choice, but I like to add desi ghee. A teaspoon of cumin seeds, some hing, like a half teaspoon of hing. We call that as asafoetida also. So some people like to add onions. I like to add both onions and without onions. So here goes around 1.5 teaspoon of salt, around half teaspoon of turmeric, around half teaspoon of red chili powder, and here goes my turoi. Very easy recipe and very healthy too. So make sure don't add water at all because this oozes a lot of water. So I'm just going to add turoi to it and then mix it well and cover it with a lid. Let this cook on medium heat for 5 to 10 minutes and then we'll check back. So look at this, I have not added water and you can see how much water it has. It started oozing. So we'll give another 5 minutes for it to cook a little bit more and then we will be done. Isn't it easy to make? So look at this sabji, it's done. I'm just switching off the gas. I like it little bit, liquid in it. You want less liquid, just, cook it for another 5 minutes and don't cover the lid, and that's it. So my beautiful turoi is ready in no minute. It's so easy to make and very good for digestion too. So try out this recipe, leave me comments, leave me suggestions, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching.